online virtual classroom. We are done with our reading section. Today we are going to start the comprehension of page 12 and 13. Our very first question is, in the poem, what did Bella see? We have 3 columns. We are going to fill all of these 3 columns. The first thing that she saw was Alaska. The second thing, she saw planet Earth. The third thing that she saw was a galaxy. Let's move on to the next question. Okay, so the next question is about match each question to an answer. Questions are mentioned with the options right ahead of them. We have to choose the correct answer. What looks like a bear from the sky? The options are moon, Alaska, sun, universe, Earth. The correct option is Alaska. What is a blue ball floating in space? The correct option is Earth. What has the light of sun on his face? The correct option is moon. What is a speck of bright light in a Milky Way? You remember the meaning of speck? The right option is sun. What has billions of galaxies? The universe. Now, this question is from the words in context. We are already done with the words in context in our lecture 1. What we have to do in this question is we have to circle the word that has same meaning as underlined word. These underlined words are from the words in context. What Bella observed was the vast universe. Options are cold, huge, silent. The correct option is huge. With 7 more planets, it dwelled, lived, sang, fell. Which option is similar to dwelled? It's lived. Now the sun was a speck of bright light. Options are large ball, warm fire, small spot. The correct option is small spot. The Milky Way galaxy was shaped like a disc. Options are star, triangle, round plate. The correct option is round plate. Now we are moving forward to grammar in use. Today we are studying predictions with will. First of all, let us see what is a prediction. A prediction is something you believe about the future. A prediction is not a fact. In easy words, you can say a prediction is a guess that you are making about future. For example, I will visit those places again. Ella thought. I will visit those places again. She is not sure that she will visit those places, but she's guessing. She's predicting that one day she will visit those places. Let us see the following example to make a difference between which sentence having will is a prediction and which sentence having will is not a prediction. Those sentences having will and they are predictions, we will mention P, and those which are not predictions, we will mention a cross. Scientists will send a person to Mars someday. Is it a prediction? Yes, you're right. The sun will rise tomorrow morning. It's a fact. Sun will rise tomorrow morning. It's not a prediction. She will become an astronaut when she grows up. This is a prediction because when she will grow up, a person is making a prediction that she will be an astronaut. Eric will go to space camp next summer. Is it a prediction or is it a fact? It's just a prediction that we are making. Now what we have to do is, you have to write down the summary of Unit 1 on a loose sheet of paper, but the summary should not exceed 10 lines. That's all for today.